Hi, I am Sarwar. Today I am going to show you how to add call button on your website. To add a call button on your website, I am using Bit Assist plugin. So let's go to WordPress dashboard. And here you can see I have already installed the Bit Assist plugin to add a call button on my website. Click on Bit Assist Pro and add widget. Give here a widget name. Now click on Create button. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel. Now click on call. Give here a phone number. Here is some advanced features. Hide after office hours. You can on and off it, and also channels show on desktop or mobile. I keep it both, so click on save button. Now go to your press page and refresh the page. And click on beside this logo and click on call button. Yeah, this call channel also on your phone and your tab. You have to sync both mail in your Windows and your phone and tab to add these features on your website. So in this way you can add your call button on your website. So thanks for watching this video.